this is the Python programming and how we install it. Python installation. If you find that you do not have Python installed in your computer, you can freely download it. www.python.org. Then there's a IDLE. We can use this for our programming task. Let's start it. IDLE Python. Let's see it again. Sure. This is the IDLE Python, and then when you are creating a new file, you get this new file. And the first program, the hello world. Shall we do it? Yeah, in the file you can directly type it, print. And you have to give මං කරන එක පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? ෂෙයා කරපු එක IDL එකේ ටයිප් කරපු ඒවා පේනවද?
Yes, miss.
දැන් මං අර hello world ටයිප් කරපු එක පේනව නේද? ඒ ගමන්ම ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරනවද? කරලා මටත් පෙන්නනවද? මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රම්ස් මේ ගමන්ම ඔයාලා කරන්න. එතකොට තමයි ලේසි. දැන් එතකොට අවුට්පුට් එක පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට hello world කියලා? පේනව නේද? අවුට්පුට් එක ෂෙල් එකේ වැටුණා IDLE එකේ. හරිද?
Miss.
පෙවුණාද ඒක? ෂෙයා වුණාද? නැත්නම් පෙවුන්නේ නැද්ද? මං කියන්නේ මගේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එක ෂෙයා වුණාද ඔයාට?
නෑ මිස්.
නැද්ද? ඔන්න මේකයි. hello world. වෙන්න ඕනේ IDLE එකයි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකයි දෙකම. දැන්
මිස් කෝඩ් කරපු එක පෙන්නන්නකෝ. මගේ හරි.
දැන් කෝඩ් කරන එක පේනවානේ. එතකොට කෝඩ් කරන එක පේනකොට IDL එක පේන්නේ නැද්ද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? දැන් පේන්නේ කෝඩ් එක විතරද? ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙම print hello world කියලා ගහපු එක විතරද පේන්නේ?
ඔව් මිස් ඔව්.
එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ ඒක රන් කරාම අනිත් එක පේන්නේ නේ. හරි. ඕක කරගත්තද? හරි. එතකොට print එකත් එක්ක කොමා දාලා මෙහෙම ලියා ගන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. හරි. ඊළඟ එක්සැම්පල් එකට යන්නද එහෙනම්?
හරි මිස් චෙක් කරා.
හරි. එතකොට බලන්න IDL එකේ එක ආවද කියලා උත්තරේ?
මිස් පෙන්වන්නද?
පෙන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන්ද? කොහොමද පෙන්නන්නේ? ෆෝන් එකෙන් තමයි පෙන්නන්නේ නේ. හරි. ඕකේ. හරි පේනවා. හරි. well done. හරි. එහෙනම් අපිට කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් ඔහොම. එතකොට ලේසි. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි ඊළඟ එකත් ගමු. මේ ડોකියුමන්ට් එකේ තියෙන එක්සැම්පල් එකම තව කරන්න තියෙන ලේසි ක්‍රමයක් කියලා දෙන්නම්. එතකොට print first program එක තමයි කරේ. ඒක සේව් කරන්න. සේව් කළා ඊළඟට කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන විදිහ. කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න how we add a comment here we can use the hash line comment type print hello file run එදී කමෙන්ට් එකේ මොකද කමෙන්ට් එකක් කියනකොට කමෙන්ට් එකක් අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ comment is used when we describe the coding. To describe the coding, we use comments, but it is not executing. When why we use comment to describe our coding, but when use this comment mark, it is not executing. So then the next part, the theory part, kita share කරන්න. Then Python identifier. This is the not Python identifier. An identifier is a name that identifies an object, a variable or function. An identifier name in Python must start with a letter or underscore. After the first letter, the remaining of an identifier name can contain alphanumeric A to Z or 0 to 9 and underscore. There is no limit to the maximum length of identifier and Python keywords can't be used. And identifier names are case sensitive, like age. When A is capital, it is another identifier. As it is case sensitive, it is sensitive to capitals and simple. The next topic is variable. Variable is a symbolic name assigning for a place in a computer memory. Why we use variable? It is separated a memory location in a computer memory. Once a variable is created in a program, the variable can be used in the use and store values. The creating variables in Python Unlike other programming language, here it is no need to declare a variable. We can just use as it is without declaring. It is very easy to use. Um, Here you can see the example. Can you try it? A equal 10. Here A is assigned a value and B is assigned a string value, and you have to print it. Uh, let's try it. Sarah, can you try it?
Yeah, miss, I'm in the downloading process. That's why
It is
it
taking.
takes time. That's why.
It takes time. Okay. Then how about Upeka?
I did, miss.
You did it. The code is done now. The next one, shall we go to the, I will share this, and I have already sent this note as the in the resource book after page 42. You can refer this. Mm. Then in the example 2, A equals 6 and A equal comma. And here there's a comment is used. Yes, yes, I have shared it. The first A is a number, and then A is a string. Print A, what happened that time it is printed as comma. Print A, the printed as comma. So let's do the concatenate in Python. That means joining two sentences. It is called concatenation. Concatenation. I'll do this example with you. Mm. Here X is a programming, X is equal a programming language. Then you have to print it with plus and X variable. File, new file. You need to take a new file. Equal within the quotation a programming language. And print. And here you can use plus sign to concatenate. Now you are joining X variable here and close bracket. That's it. File, save. And you have to can run. The Python is programming language. That is the output. It is coming in IDE shell. You can see the output. In IDE shell, you can see the output. Yes. shall we move? ටිකක් කරමු නේද මෙහෙමම. Sarah, මම මේකේ I will put the video also. If you can try it again. Just looking at the time you just look at. I will post this video again. Then you can do it later time.
Okay, Miss.
Variable of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. Here, the variable type, there are data types: integer, float, and complex. But in Python, it is no need to declare it as initiation. The variable of numeric types are created when you are assigning a value. Here you can see x is integer type. That means it is a whole number. Float, you have floating points. And here ij, it is a complex. It is with numbers and strings. Specify a data type to a variable. There are situations to specify a data type to a variable in a program. This can be done with the casting of data types. Python uses classes to identify data types. Integer, and here you have the double quotes. Construct an integer number from an integer literal, a floating literal, or string literal. Here, after we going through this function, it is converted into integer. That is casted. The construct in float, construct a float number from an some other type of variable like integer, float, or string. Here it converts to string, str, construct a string. Here, shall we do the example? To do this, also you have an easy method. I will have you use W3 schools site to. Do you have any idea about that? W3 school, Upeka? There are examples on Python in W3 school. Do you have any idea about it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, you are doing practicals there.
I have done some web development practicals.
Okay. And also here, Python coding, it is very easy. It is very easy to use for Python coding also. I will show it to you. This is not the IDE, but we are using the website for this same example. Demo environment. This is the, yes, I will show it to you. Share this here. Yeah. This is a one W3 school is a website. You can do some of programming things in that site. Here w3school.com python.demo. This I will later share the link for you. It is https w3school.com python. Demo environment, you can do this kind of example. here a equal int 5. Equal int 5 and b equals int 4.6 4.6. And you can run it. What happens here, in A, it is an integer, so it is printed, and then 4.6, it is from this integer function, it is b is assigned only the integer value, so b equal 4. It is not 4.4, it is 4 because it is converted into integer, and c is 2. It is example, it is a string. Yes, it is a, we need to send a string there. Here we are going to send a string, and it is then converted into integer and shown here. This is the one method you can use easily, the Python commands. And in this w3school.com, you can learn more about Python. Here there are how we use comments, how we can you see my screen? Can you see it? W3 school.
Yes.
Then w3schools.com. Get how we use variables. Here it has examples, and you can copy it to this uh, demo environment and easily run it by run it. This is except to the our syllabus, but you can easily do and learn something more using this environment. Here run. Here what happened in this x equal 4 and x equal Sally. Now the SALLY it is a type of a string, and at the second time when we print x, the Sally is assigned to the x. So that's why the output comes as SALLY. Like that way, you can use this demo environment for your studies. Now I am again going to our original environment. What I can do is string. I will share the book again with you. Resource book. Strings. Strings mean some letters or word or name can be stored in string. It is a one of a data type. A equal str nie. Then B equal str4. So what happened? 4 is converted to str and assigned into B. 8.0, it is a floating number. It is converted to str and string and saved in C. So print A equal A. What happened here? Yeah, NIE is printed. Print B equal B. Now it is number 4 is converted into string and print it. Then C equals C. Here the uh, float number has converted to string and it is shown as the output. Then print. Then the next part we'll do this example. The string literals. The string literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation. We can either use single quotation or double quotation. Let's do this example. Upeka, can you do this example and show me? Share it and share to me. A equal welcome to Ice Age dot world. Print A1.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. In this array, a number is going as 0, 1, 2, 3. So A1, print A become E, letter E. Print A, 3 to 5 becomes, number 3 comes 1, 2, 3. So 3, C and O become 3 to 5. Print A string. This string is shown in the whole string is shown. And print length of A. You have to count the A and give it. Print A lower. It is typed in the lower case. Then I'll also do it. Only 1 minute is there. After you log out, you can log in again. Only 1 minute is there. You can log in from the same link. It will get like 5 minutes or 10 minutes to log in me again, as it is recording.